Welcome to my royal art studio. I am Princess Mirtha, and today we have a spectacular Disney fashion challenge. Ariel and Rapunzel are invited to a grand superhero costume ball tonight, but oh no, they don't have their outfits ready. They want to wear a stunning, sparkly Spider-Man gown. Can we use our magic coloring skills to create the ultimate superhero dress and look at the real-life doll transformations? If you love Spider-Man and Disney princesses, give me a high five through the screen. Let's start painting.
Princess Design Academy.
Coloring.
Red.
Let's splash some heroic colors on our fashion sketch. Wow, it looks so powerful and elegant. Do you prefer the red or the blue parts? Tell me, I want to know. Blue. Now, let's paint the center of the gown and the high heel boots with a beautiful, deep ocean blue. Gray. Our hero drawing is completely colored, but it needs a blast of radioactive glitter to bring the reality to life. Help me make this spider sparkle spell, girls. Sparkle. Put your hands up like you are shooting webs. Count to 3. And blow some magic dust to the screen. 1, 2, 3, blows. Wow! Look at all those shiny white stars and crystals glittering all over the dress, the boots, and the mask. Dress up. Look who it is. Princess Rapunzel is ready for the ball. She looks absolutely spectacular in her real Spider-Man dress. Look at her beautiful makeup, her red mask, and her giant golden braid decorated with matching red and blue flowers. She is totally ready to swing into action. Wow, Princess Ariel is here too. Her vibrant red hair looks amazing with a spider gown. And look closely. She decorated her long hair with cute little seashells and starfishes. Both princesses look like royal superhero queens. The superhero costume ball is going to be unforgettable. Thank you for helping me dress our dolls. Besties. Now, I need your royal vote. Who wore the Spider-Man dress better? Rapunzel with her long braid, or Ariel with her long red hair? Don't leave our hero headquarters just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical, sparkly art stories. See you there. Bye-bye.